Logo lesson number 2, moving the turtle around. So in this lesson, what we're going to do is, now that we can make the turtle show up, it would be really nice if we could actually make the turtle move around. And you'll notice that when you make the turtle move, it actually leaves a little trail behind so that you can see where he has been. So from the last lesson, hopefully you remember that we always start with an onStart block, and any code we place in the onStart block will be executed when we start up our game console over on the left. The first block we should usually put in would be our show turtle block, so that we can actually have the turtle showing up on our game console in the middle. There it is. So once we have the turtle showing up, the next step we want to do today is to actually get the turtle moving forwards. So if you click on the turtle menu, you might notice that there's another new block now. In this block, it says move turtle forward 25 steps. So we're going to drag that block out. We're going to place it underneath the show turtle block. We're going to look over at our game console, and you will notice when it updates, the little turtle moves 25 pixels. A pixel is a little tiny square dot, and it moves 25 little square dots forwards. So on our block here, there's two options that we have that we can change. And the first one we're going to change is this 25. So the block says move turtle forward 25 steps. So we can actually take this 25 and we can type different numbers in. So maybe we only want to move it 10 steps forward. So we'll only move a little bit. Or maybe we want it to move a really far number. So it'll move 50 steps. So besides moving forwards, the other option is, if you click on this forward, because it has a little down arrow, you'll notice that you can actually move the turtle not only forwards but backwards. So you just select backwards, and instead of going to the left, or correction, to the right, now the turtle will move 50 steps to the left. So you can get your turtle either to move forwards or backwards, depending on what you're looking for. So what I'd like you to do is try a couple distances and see what it looks like, your turtle moving in different amount of steps. You can also make the turtle move a really far distance. And if you do that, you'll notice that the turtle moves off one end of the screen and then shows up on the other. So the turtle wraps around and then comes back. So you'll never lose your turtle off into the middle of nowhere. So success! You can now get your turtle moving forwards and backwards. What I'd like you to try to do now is add more than one move block. You can take several of these. And when you're putting blocks in, you can actually move them in between other blocks and get your turtle first moving forward, then moving backwards, and then change this value. At the end, I would like you to get your turtle to say, I just moved. With an exclamation point. So you'll notice that when the game console updates, the turtle will move forwards, then back, and then it will say, I move. And that's all we're going to do in this lesson.